How hard is it to put seat covers in a 2008 Tacoma? When I bought my Tacoma, I wanted leather seats, but they didn't offer them. Why leather, you ask? It's easy to maintain. The cloth seats are pretty cheap. This truck has less than 40,000 miles on it. If you take a look right here, you can see just the act of getting in and out of the truck has destroyed the seat. And if you're a dog owner, with leather you just wipe it down. But with these cloth seats, you have to break out the upholstery cleaner. So we headed out to the wonderful internet. We found these leather cloth covers. Overall, we're pretty darn happy with them, but don't be fooled by this picture. I think this is a picture of a real leather seat. For example, take a look at this headrest. It looks like it's tightly wrapped with leather. But in reality, this is what it really looks like. So let's get busy installing these things. They're delivered to your house in a pretty nice container. The instructions leave a wee bit to be desired. I don't have airbags in my seats in this truck, and the instructions don't even mention the airbag option for these seat covers. Yet these seat covers are clearly designed for airbags. I only noticed this after the seat covers were installed, and since airbags are actually on the outside of the seat, installing the seat cover in the wrong position like I did would have been extremely dangerous. Can you imagine what would happen to the person if an airbag tried to deploy while it's covered with a seat cover? Perhaps crush you between the seat and the seat belt? Let's move on. What kind of tools do we need? Unfortunately, you will need to unbolt the seats to install these covers, and that requires a 14mm socket. First, push this button here and remove the headrest. You can now slide the seat cover down over the seat back. Oops, don't forget to take the stuff out of the back pocket. There's a little flap thing you want to push between the seat back and the seat. Initially, I tried installing these things without pulling the seats. Unfortunately, you'll soon realize that that's not going to happen. Even trying some gimmicks didn't work. Okay, break out your 14mm socket. Let's get busy pulling this seat. These covers just pop right off. Once the back is loose, move up to the front. They're even easier to get to than the back was. No need to disconnect any electrical, at least in seats with no airbags. Heck, did they even have airbags in 2008? This job is a lot easier if you have a helper. Route the tie-down straps behind the seat pull bar. You'll have two straps that run fore and aft, and one strap that runs side to side. When you go to reinstall the seat, there's pins in the front. Slide them into the holes in the floor. Then loosely install the hardware in the front. Install your mounting hardware in the back, and then pop the covers back in place. Then go back up front and tighten that mounting hardware. Well, that's about it. It's a pretty simple job once you've seen it done. Thanks for watching.